All right, it is Monday, September 21st, 2020. Have that song, um, it was the 21st of September, like stuck in my head. Anyways, let's take a look quickly here. We got Asteroid Watch. We got the next five approaches within 4.6 million miles of Earth. We have September 21st, today, 2020 RQ6, that is approximately the size of 35 feet, or a school bus or a Greyhound bus at the closest approach of 803 million, I mean, 100,000 miles, excuse me. September 21st, we have the same today. We have a 51-foot asteroid the size of a building at 900,000 miles away from Earth. Then September 22nd, we have a 170-foot asteroid the size of a jet at 2,520,000 miles from Earth. We have September 22nd, a 20-foot asteroid the size of a bus at 745,000 miles from Earth. And then we have September 22nd, 90-foot asteroid the size of a jet at 1,600,000 miles from Earth. Okay, so notice this. Before, I would come to this list and it would be one day and then another day and then a couple days later another one. Right now we have two for today and then three for tomorrow. So they're increasing the amount of asteroids that are getting that are happening per day. So instead of a list of like a week long, this is only just 2 days of asteroids. So we're taking it by 2 days. I'll update on in 2 days and see what other five asteroids are the closest to Earth. All right, next let's take a look at the National Hurricane Center. We have Beta, Tropical Storm Beta, maximum sustained winds of 40 knots or 45 miles an hour, minimum central pressure of 999 millibars, located 28.2 north and 96.1 west, and then movement northwest at 4 knots or 5 miles an hour. Then we have Disturbance 2 with 0% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. It's a concentrated area of showers and thunderstorms located over southeastern Florida, the central Bahamas, and the Straits of Florida, associated with a frontal system. This disturbance is forecast to continue moving southward over central and western Cuba during the next couple of days and then move back northward on Thursday through Saturday. So, this disturbance has upper level winds are expected to become marginally conductive and development by Thursday and Friday, when the system is forecast to approach the Florida Keys and South Florida. Regardless of development, locally heavy rainfall can be expected across portions of extreme southeastern Florida and the Florida Keys this afternoon and tonight, and over western Cuba on Tuesday and on Wednesday. For more information on this disturbance, see forecast products issued by the National Meteorological Service. Information chance through 48 hours, low near 0%. Information chance through 5 days, low at 20%. So there's some rain going to be happening in this area right here above Cuba, around the Keys, and around the Bahamas. And I'll show you in a little bit why. Also, Teddy. Hurricane Teddy, maximum sustained winds of 80 knots or 90 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure 958 millibars. And then located 33.2 north and 62.0 west. Movement north at 20 knots or 23 miles an hour. So Teddy is pretty much going north towards the Canadian region over here. And then we have Disturbance 1 with 80% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. And post-tropical cyclone Paulette is located over the far eastern Atlantic Ocean, 350 miles south of the Azores. Shower and thunderstorms have increased and become better organized today, and the low could become a subtropical or tropical cyclone later today or tonight while the system moves eastward at 10 to 15 miles per hour. For more information about marine hazards associated with this system, see high seas forecast issued by Mateo in France. Information chance through 48 hours, high at 80%. Information chance through 5 days, high at 80%. So pretty much the only storms that are affecting the United States right now is Beta, which is affecting parts of Florida and Louisiana, and then the Disturbance 2, which is bringing rains to Florida. Teddy is moving north towards Canada, and this one is moving eastward. Disturbance 1 is moving eastward. Alright, let's take a look at the satellite so you can see what I'm talking about here. Alright, so interestingly enough, Teddy kind of split up in a sense because it came over to the Louisiana area. It left the rain, but the low system itself is getting closer to Texas. Then over here, the disturbance that is by Florida, the reason why I told you that I was going to show you why is because it's connected to Teddy. As you see here, Teddy, this low here by Florida that's bringing rain to the Florida Keys and the Bahamas and parts of Cuba is pretty much attached to Teddy. It's kind of like a long, let me see if I can get the draw tool. It's kind of like a long, right here, like a long tail attached to Teddy. So this low is affected by this, and then as you see here, this is affected by this. So this is pretty much a connection. Storms tend to, especially hurricanes, tend to bring like a tail or a disturbance attached to them. All right, let's take a look here at the Gulf of Mexico. All right, so this is Beta. Beta is kind of split into two in a sense. When it got close to Louisiana, in my last video I said the National Hurricane Center forecasted to go to Texas, but it's approaching Louisiana. It kind of, the storm part kind of broke off and stayed close to Louisiana, as you see here, it bringing rain. But the central part of it was getting closer to Texas. So you see here, the low system itself is by Texas, while the storm clouds is by Louisiana. But it's the same storm, it's Beta. Alright, let's take a look at how it's connected. This is all connected because Teddy, you see here, let me bring the draw tool. Teddy's tail is connecting with these storms like this. So we got Beta over there that came by itself, but it's all being connected in a sense by the storm clouds. This system here is affecting the Florida Keys, while over here we have Beta affecting Louisiana and Texas. That system over there. But it's all sort of connected right now because Teddy got closer, and its tail of influence kind of affects this whole region right here. Alright, that's it for this video. Hit like and subscribe for more, and see you guys next time. God bless.